This is the Anker Soundcore R50i. I've been using this earbud for about 2 months now, though it's missing some features I would love to see. And here's my experience so far. It's Mr. Roy here for all around review. So here's a little unboxing just to show you guys what comes inside the box. Here we have the box of the earbuds. And on the box we have information about the earbud, features like 22 presets, IPX5, waterproof and others. Inside the box we have a big start guide, but here we know nobody uses this, right? We have the charging case and some extra big and small ear tips. It also comes with a USB-C charging cable. The Anker Soundcore R50i are the in-ear TWS buds with an Apple AirPod-like design. The buds and the case are made of plastics and are prone to scratches. However, the plastic quality itself, the inch quality is excellent, and while the plastic on the top shell is a bit thin, it shouldn't cause any major issues. Inside the case, there's a thin foam type material to protect the earbuds. The Anker R50i buds secure an IPX sweat resistance rating, so wearing them to any workouts wasn't a worry either. Now some users might find the case a little too large, but considering it houses a 430 mAh battery, the size is acceptable. What's impressive is the case magnetic grab for the earbuds. It's the strongest I've ever felt in an earbud charging case. Additionally, there is a ribbon for easy grip, especially during outdoor use. As for the earbuds, they fit comfortably and you can customize the fit by changing the ear tips based on your ear size. Notable features include a 10mm drivers with bass up, Bluetooth 5.3, IPX5 sweat resistant and a companion app. Now let's dive into the sound quality, an essential part of any earbud. The Soundcore R50i sound is impressive for its price. They have a thumpy bass and packs a lot of punch for its size. And you can opt in for more bass with the bass up toggle via the app. If you are a bass enthusiast, you are in for a treat. While the Soundcore app offers a preset to reduce the bass, the difference isn't significant. The bass kicks very hard without overpowering the treble and the mids. Even if you are not a music freak, you will appreciate the crispness of the vocals. I've used this earbud for voice calls, voice notes and meetings, and the sound output left me quite satisfied. The bass might be a bit overpowering for some users. It depends on your personal preference and how you intend to use them. Music lovers will enjoy the bass that kicks like a real subwoofer, while non-music scenarios benefit from excellent sound separation. Lastly, calls don't sound too great, but to be honest, you should be fine taking one indoor or outdoor. Anker claims that this earbud provides up to 10 hours of usage on a single charge. Additionally, when you combine with the charging case, you can enjoy a total of 30 hours of playtime. In my personal experience, the buds lasted me about 2 days at around 60% of volume. This includes about 4 to 5 hours of audio playback a day. A quick 5-minute charge gave me another 40 plus minutes of juice, thanks to the quick charge feature. To maximize the features of your R50i earbuds, download the Soundcore companion app. The app enables you to switch between EQ modes, customize controls and locate your buds if they are lost. The app provides a convenient way to check your battery percentage of each buds. Knowing how much juice is left helps you to plan your usage effectively. The app allows you to customize the control for each buds. The EQ offers 22 presets, allowing you to fine-tune the sound to your liking. As usual, I will always do the mic test to know how the mic performs. The earbud comes with 2 AI enhanced mics, which use some kind of AI technology to reduce any kind of external noise. I will let you guys be the judge of the microphone quality. So here is a little microphone test snippet.
So guys, this mic test was done in a quiet environment, and the app I'm using to record is the Google Recorder. And I will let you guys be the judge of the mic quality.
So what's the verdict? The Soundcore R50i strikes a balance between affordability and performance. While it may not be at the premium level, it's a reliable choice for everyday use. The impressive audio separation and powerful bass makes it stand out. As for the size, it's a subjective matter. Some may find it perfect, while others might prefer something smaller. Overall, it exudes a premium feel. It's Mr. Roy here for all around review. Don't forget to hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell. See you on the next one.